Bruder EXP-8. The Bruder EXP-8 is a luxury off-road camper trailer designed for the ultimate adventure. It is built on a robust chassis with a patented suspension system that provides nearly 3 times more usable wheel travel than its nearest competitor. This allows the EXP-8 to traverse even the most challenging terrain with ease. The interior of the EXP-8 is spacious and comfortable, with plenty of room for up to 8 people to sleep. It features a queen-size bed, 2 bunk beds, and a dinette that converts into a bed. The kitchen is well equipped with a stove, oven, refrigerator, and sink. There is also a bathroom with a shower, toilet, and vanity. The EXP-8 comes standard with a variety of features to make it easy to live off the grid, including a solar panel system, a water tank, and a generator. It also features a variety of other amenities, such as a TV, a sound system, and a satellite dish. Tesla Semi-Truck Motorhome. The Tesla Semi-Truck Motorhome is a concept vehicle that combines the spaciousness and amenities of a motorhome with the performance and range of the Tesla Semi. It would be the ultimate RV for long-distance travel, with enough space to accommodate a large family or group of friends, as well as a range of over 500 miles on a single charge. The Tesla Semi-Truck Motorhome would also be incredibly fast, capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5 seconds. The Tesla Semi-Truck Motorhome would be built on the same chassis as the Tesla Semi, which means that it would be incredibly strong and durable. It would also be equipped with all of the same safety features as the Tesla Semi, such as automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. Airstream eStream Concept. The Airstream eStream Concept travel trailer is a groundbreaking concept that brings to life multiple innovations from Airstream's parent company Thor Industries and its partners and subsidiaries. It delivers new technologies, innovative features, and sustainable designs to the RV industry. The eStream's aerodynamic design significantly reduces drag, improving fuel efficiency for both the tow vehicle and the trailer itself. This allows the eStream to tow farther with the same amount of energy, extending the range of the RV experience. The eStream can be driven autonomously for short distances, such as pulling into a campsite or maneuvering in tight spaces. This feature makes it easier to maneuver the trailer, especially in urban environments. Bruder EXP-6. The Bruder EXP-6 is an off-road camper trailer that is designed for extreme conditions. It is built on a revolutionary chassis and suspension system that provides excellent performance on both paved and unpaved roads. The EXP-6 is available in 2 models, the PT and the GT. The EXP-6 PT features a patented roof lift mechanism that allows the roof to be lowered for storage or towing. This makes the trailer easier to handle and transport. The EXP-6 GT has a fixed roof that is higher than the PT, providing more headroom and interior space. Both models of the EXP-6 are equipped with a variety of features that make them ideal for off-road camping. Mercedes RV-Armadillo. The Mercedes RV-Armadillo Conqueror T 2023 is a luxurious and adventure-ready RV designed for travelers who demand the pinnacle of comfort and capability during their journeys. Based on the Mercedes-Benz ROX 6x6 chassis, the Conqueror T is a true off-road behemoth that can go anywhere you want to take it. It is powered by a 12.8-liter, 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine that produces 430 horsepower and 1,400 lb-ft of torque. This allows it to tackle even the most challenging terrain with ease. The interior of the Conqueror T is just as luxurious as the exterior. It is fitted with high-quality materials and finishes, and it has a number of amenities that make it feel like home away from home. These include a full kitchen, a bathroom with a shower and toilet, and a large living area with a TV and fireplace. ALF 130 QM Truck. The ALF 130 QM Truck is a mobile marketing unit that was created by the German advertising agency, Serviceplan. The truck is 130 square meters, 1,400 square feet, in size and can be used for a variety of marketing purposes, including product launches, trade shows, and public events. The truck is equipped with a variety of features, including a large LED screen, a sound system, and a kitchen. The LED screen can be used to display marketing messages or videos, and the sound system can be used to play music or make announcements. The kitchen can be used to prepare food or drinks for guests. The ALF 130 QM truck has been used by a variety of companies, including BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Coca-Cola. Hitch Hotel. The Hitch Hotel is a unique and innovative trailer that transforms from a compact storage unit into a spacious camper. It's ideal for campers who want a lightweight, easy-to-tow trailer that offers plenty of room for sleeping, relaxation, and gear storage. When closed, the Hitch Hotel measures just 39 inches wide, 14 inches deep, and 17 inches tall, which makes it small enough to fit behind even the smallest car or SUV. The Hitch Hotel is constructed from lightweight aircraft aluminum and hand-laid fiberglass, making it both strong and durable. It's also weatherproof, so you can use it year-round without worrying about the elements. Adria Sonic Supreme. The Adria Sonic Supreme is a premium integrated motorhome that offers a combination of style, performance, and comfort. It is designed for those who want to travel in style and comfort while also having the performance to handle any road condition. The Adria Sonic Supreme is powered by a range of Fiat Ducato chassis and engines, which offer a choice of power and fuel efficiency. A spacious and well-lit living area. A large kitchen with plenty of storage space. A separate shower and toilet. A range of optional extras, such as a satellite TV system, a washing machine, and a heated towel rail. Airstream Globetrotter. The Airstream Globetrotter is a line of travel trailers that capture the spirit of adventure and the tradition of European design. Renowned for its sleek and aerodynamic silhouette, the Globetrotter is crafted with high-quality materials and features a modern and sophisticated interior. Stepping inside the Globetrotter, you'll be greeted by a spacious and airy atmosphere. Panoramic windows and skylights allow abundant natural light to flood the interior, creating a sense of openness and connection to the outdoors. The Airstream Globetrotter is a well-rounded travel trailer that embodies the spirit of adventure and modern design. Its sleek exterior, spacious interior, and advanced features make it a desirable choice for couples, families, and solo travelers alike. Living Vehicle HD30. The Living Vehicle HD30 is a luxury travel trailer that is designed to provide off-grid living in style. It is built on a commercial platform with marine-grade materials, and it features a number of amenities that make it perfect for extended stays. It also has a number of features that make it eco-friendly, such as solar panels and a rainwater harvesting system. The HD30 is available in a number of different configurations, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. The HD30 has a spacious interior with a full kitchen, bathroom, and living area. It is also backed by a comprehensive warranty, so you can be sure that your investment is protected. If you are looking for a way to live in luxury while still being mindful of the environment, the living vehicle HD30 is a great option. 2024 Class C Greyhawk XL. The 2024 Jayco Greyhawk XL is a Super C motorhome that is built on a Ford F550 Super Duty chassis. It is available in two floor plans, the 32U and the 35U. The 32U is 32 feet and 10 inches long, while the 35U is 35 feet and 5 inches long. Both floor plans have a sleeping capacity of up to 8 people. The Greyhawk XL is powered by a Ford 6.7L Powerstroke V8 turbo diesel engine that produces 330 horsepower and 850 lb-ft of torque. It is also equipped with a 10-speed torque-shift automatic transmission and a 31,000-pound towing capacity. The 2024 Jayco Greyhawk XL has a starting MSRP of $223,541. It is a great choice for RVers who are looking for a luxurious and capable Super C motorhome. eStream Pulazzo. The eStream Pulazzo is a luxury motorhome manufactured by Marchi Mobile. It is the company's top-of-the-line model and is known for its spacious interior, high-end amenities, and unique design. The eStream Pulazzo is available in a variety of configurations and can be customized to meet the specific needs of the buyer. The base price for the eStream Pulazzo is $3 million, but the final price can be much higher depending on the options and customizations selected. The eStream Pulazzo is a truly unique and luxurious motorhome that is sure to impress even the most discerning buyer. It is the perfect vehicle for those who want to travel in style and comfort without sacrificing any of the amenities of home. Tesla CyberTruck. The Tesla CyberTruck is an all-electric pickup truck that was unveiled in November 2019. It is expected to go into production in late 2023. The CyberTruck has a futuristic, angular design and is made from cold-rolled stainless steel, which Tesla claims makes it nearly impenetrable to dents, scratches, and corrosion. The CyberTruck also has a ramped bed that can be used to load and unload cargo easily. The Tesla CyberTruck is expected to start at $39,990. Reservations for the CyberTruck can be made on Tesla's website. Campstream One. The Campstream One is a portable climate control system that connects to your electric vehicle, EV, to provide heating, cooling, and air filtration for your tent while camping. It is a great option for EV owners who want to extend their camping season and enjoy more comfortable outdoor experiences. The Campstream One can heat your tent up to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius, or cool it down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 7 degrees Celsius. The Campstream One filters out dust, pollen, and other allergens from the air in your tent. The Campstream One can be controlled from your EV's app or from a dedicated control panel. Viñales MV12. The Viñales MV12 is a motorhome designed by Rioja Vehicles for the MotoGP rider Maverick Viñales. It is a luxurious and innovative motorhome that provides a 5-star experience for its occupants. The MV12 is based on a Scania iRiser i6 chassis and is powered by a 13-liter, 540-horsepower engine. It is equipped with a host of features that make it perfect for life on the road, including a living area, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. The MV12 also has a garage that can accommodate a MotoGP bike. The MV12 is a limited edition motorhome, and only 12 units have been produced. The price of the MV12 is not available to the public, but it is estimated to be in the region of €1 million.